I'm officially I'm partnered up with Nike.
Right now?
Yes, I signed to Nike.
When? Today?
Yeah, I just announced it today.
I'm serious. Stop playing with me. Okay, you are showing black excellence, and that is why I love the young generation right now, right? All the old heads can't talk about y'all. You're doing great, and all the young people is looking up to you, and you are totally for the people, Kai. Like totally, and you're showing the youth to keep grinding, to stay on top, and make your mothers proud. So
Alright, have a good night, Ma.
Mafia, go crazy, Mafia.
Alright, love you.
Love you too. Love you more, babe.
Alright,
Love you. Be safe, okay?
yeah.
Good son.
Alright, bye.